Hi Brainbox, welcome to Brainbox YouTube channel. In this video, we will continue our discussion on affixes. Specifically, we will discuss suffixes. What are they and how are they different from prefixes? Just keep watching to learn. But before we continue, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep you posted for more review topics. You can also avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. In the previous video, we discussed affixes, which are grammatical elements that are attached to a word or a stem to modify its meaning. And there are two main types of affixes: the prefix and the suffix. What is a suffix then? A suffix is a letter or group of letters added at the end of a word or word part to form another word. If a prefix is attached to the beginning of words to modify their meaning, a suffix is added at the end of a word to form a new word. There are many suffixes in written English, and here are just some of them. We have the suffixes able and able. Both able and able are used as suffixes to create adjectives that describe the possibility, capability, or quality of the nouns they modify. Both suffixes often convey a sense of ability or suitability. For example, achievable and sensible. Next, we have the suffixes al and il. Both al and il are used as suffixes to create adjectives that describe characteristics, qualities, or associations related to the nouns they modify. Both suffixes often convey a sense of relating to or being associated with the base word. For example, fictional and substantial. We also have the suffixes ion, tion, ation, and ischen. These suffixes are used to create nouns that describe actions, processes, or states related to the base words. Each suffix conveys a sense of the action, process, or state that is being described. For example, completion and exploration. Then, we have the suffixes ive, ative, etive. The suffixes ive, ative, and etive are used to create adjectives that describe characteristics, qualities, or relationships associated with the base words. Each suffix conveys a specific sense of the attribute or quality being described. For example, positive and assertive. Lastly, we have the suffixes us, aes, and aes. These suffixes are used to create adjectives that describe qualities, characteristics, or relationships associated with the base words. Each suffix conveys a specific sense of the attribute being described. Let us have some examples of words with suffixes in sentences. For the first example, her advice was always practical and sensible. For the second example, the data gathered from this interview is substantial in the success of this study. For our final example, the project's successful completion brought a sense of accomplishment. Can you give other examples of suffixes? There are many more examples of suffixes in written English, and they're for you to explore and understand them. Now, let us test your understanding. Answer this 3-item practice exercise if you really understood the topic. In this practice exercise, you need to fill in the correct form of the words in brackets using suffixes. You are only given 15 seconds for each item. Good luck! For item number 1, the teams collaborate, blank, efforts were crucial in achieving the project's objectives. What suffix should be added in order to have the appropriate word in the sentence? You have 15 seconds to answer. The timer starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is collaborative. The team's collaborative efforts were crucial in achieving the project's objectives. In the sentence, the word collaborative is formed by adding the suffix -ative to the base word collaborate. The suffix -ative is used to create an adjective that describes a quality or characteristic related to the base word. In this case, collaborative describes the nature of the team's efforts, indicating that they work together cooperatively. For number 2, the team's hard work and dedication resulted in a triumph victory in the championship. What suffix should be added in order to have the appropriate word in the sentence? You have 15 seconds to answer. The timer starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is triumphant. The team's hard work and dedication resulted in a triumphant victory in the championship. In the sentence, the word triumphant is an adjective that describes the quality of the victory. It is derived from the base word triumph, with the suffix -ant added. The suffix -ant is used to create adjectives that describe characteristics or qualities related to the base word. In this case, triumphant describes the victorious and successful nature of the team's achievement in the championship. For the last item, the heal effects of the medication were observed within a few hours of administration. What suffix should be added in order to have the appropriate word in the sentence? You have 15 seconds to answer. The timer starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is healing. The healing effects of the medication were observed within few hours of administration. In the sentence, the word healing is a noun that describes the process or result of the medication's effects. It is derived from the base word heal, with the suffix -ing added. The suffix -ing is often used to form present participles that describe ongoing actions or states. In this case, healing refers to the ongoing process of recovery and improvement due to the medication's effects. Alright, that's pretty much it. Did you get all the questions right? If not, you can still repeat this video and learn once again. I hope you understood our lessons on prefixes and suffixes. See you on the next video. That's all for today. Share this video for others to learn too. If you want to learn more, you can avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.